Antarctica, the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. Vast ice sheets stretch as far as the eye can see. Towering glaciers stand sentinel over a frozen sea. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica teems with life. Penguins waddle along the icy shores, their calls echoing. Seals bask in the sun while whales breach the southern ocean. Albatrosses soar effortlessly, their wingspans vast. These creatures have adapted to survive in one of the most challenging environments on our planet. Beneath the ice lies a vast network of lakes and possibly even rivers. Could these hidden depths hold secrets yet unknown? Antarctica is a continent of extremes. Temperatures can plummet to -90 degrees Celsius. Winds can howl across the ice at over 320 kilometers per hour. Early explorers braved treacherous seas and faced unimaginable hardships. They discovered penguins that thrived in sub-zero temperatures and microscopic creatures in frozen lakes. Yet, for all their efforts, these explorers only scratched the surface of Antarctica's secrets. What lies beneath the miles-thick ice sheets? Antarctica is not a barren wasteland. Satellite imagery and radar scans reveal lakes and rivers beneath the ice. These hidden bodies of water are warmed by geothermal heat. The largest, Lake Vostok, is a behemoth. Scientists believe Lake Vostok has been isolated for millions of years. Could life have evolved in this hidden world? The story of human exploration in Antarctica is one of daring and discovery. Early explorers braved treacherous seas to chart this icy frontier. Among the first were sealers and whalers in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. In 1820, expeditions led by Russian explorer Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen and British naval officer Edward Bransfield confirmed the Antarctic mainland. These expeditions marked a turning point in our understanding of the world. Over the following decades, numerous expeditions sought to penetrate further into Antarctica. They faced unimaginable challenges but persevered, driven by a thirst for knowledge. Antarctica's harsh beauty has always captured the human imagination. Legends circulated of a vast, unknown land at the bottom of the world. Ancient Greek philosophers theorized about a southern continent, Terra Australis Incognita. As explorers ventured south, tales of strange creatures and unexplained phenomena surfaced. One enduring mystery is the Piri Reis map, a Turkish naval map from 1513. How the mapmaker obtained such accurate information remains a subject of debate. The 20th century ushered in a new era of Antarctic exploration. The race to the South Pole captured the world's attention. These expeditions highlighted the extreme challenges of exploring Antarctica. Despite the risks, the quest to understand Antarctica continued. The establishment of permanent research stations marked a turning point. Modern exploration has shifted to international cooperation and scientific discovery. Antarctica holds secrets beneath its frozen surface. The discovery of subglacial lakes has opened up new possibilities. These bodies of water represent a unique environment for life to evolve. Could these hidden depths harbor ecosystems unlike anything we've seen? Imagine fish with translucent bodies and bioluminescence. Scientists believe these environments could hold the key to understanding the limits of life on Earth. The search for life beneath Antarctica's ice is not far-fetched. Scientists have discovered organisms thriving in extreme environments. Extremophiles have evolved unique adaptations to survive harsh conditions. These discoveries have profound implications for the search for life beyond Earth. The icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn are now considered prime candidates for extraterrestrial life. The study of extremophiles has given us hope that we are not alone in the universe. Lake Vostok stands apart as the largest and most intriguing subglacial lake. Buried beneath nearly 4 kilometers of ice, it has been isolated for millions of years. In the 1990s, scientists found evidence of microbial life in ice cores near the lake. Accessing the lake without contaminating it presents a significant challenge. In 2012, a Russian team successfully reached the surface of Lake Vostok. The samples they retrieved contained hints of microbial life. The discovery of microbial life in subglacial lakes would be momentous. Could intelligence have evolved in these isolated ecosystems? Consider the unique evolutionary pressures in such an environment. Without sunlight, organisms would rely on alternative energy sources. Could these adaptations lead to the emergence of complex life forms? The possibility, however unlikely, captures the imagination. The quest to uncover life beneath Antarctica's ice has captivated scientists. Early evidence came from analyzing ice cores drilled from above subglacial lakes. Scientists discovered microbes within these ice samples. The discovery fueled hope that more complex life forms might exist in the depths. The challenge was to develop new technologies to reach these hidden ecosystems without contaminating them. A new approach was needed to access these worlds without compromising their integrity. Lake Vostok, the largest subglacial lake in Antarctica, became the focal point of this scientific endeavor. Its sheer size, comparable to Lake Ontario, and its isolation from the surface for millions of years, made it a prime candidate for harboring unique and potentially unknown life forms. After years of meticulous planning and development of new clean drilling techniques, a Russian team achieved a groundbreaking milestone in 2012. They successfully breached the ice sheet above Lake Vostok, reaching the surface of the lake without contaminating its pristine waters. The moment was met with both excitement and trepidation. Excitement for the potential discoveries that awaited, and trepidation for the responsibility of exploring this untouched ecosystem. The team carefully collected water samples from the lake's surface, taking every precaution to prevent contamination. These samples were then brought back to the surface and transported to specialized laboratories around the world for analysis. The scientific community held its breath, eager to learn what secrets these ancient waters held. Initial analysis of the samples revealed the presence of DNA sequences that did not match any known organisms in existing databases. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, suggesting that Lake Vostok could harbor life forms entirely new to science. The implications were profound, challenging our understanding of the limits of life on Earth and fueling speculation about the potential for life on other icy worlds. The discovery of unique DNA sequences in Lake Vostok sparked new research. Scientists compared these sequences to known organisms, revealing similarities to bacteria and archaea, and some enigmatic sequences. This suggests a mix of known and unknown life forms, potentially evolving in isolation for millions of years. Scientists debate if life in Lake Vostok originated independently or shares a common ancestor with surface life. As Section 4, Beyond Microbes. Imagining complex life in subglacial oceans. While the discovery of microbial life in Lake Vostok would be a momentous achievement, the possibility of more complex life forms lurking in these hidden depths continues to capture the imagination. Could these subglacial environments, despite their extreme conditions, support larger, more sophisticated organisms? The challenges for life in these environments are undeniable: perpetual darkness, limited food sources, and crushing pressure from the ice above. However, life on Earth has repeatedly proven its ability to adapt and thrive in the most unexpected of places. Imagine creatures that have evolved bioluminescence, illuminating the perpetual darkness with their own internal light. Picture fish with translucent bodies, their internal organs visible, gliding through the frigid waters. Envision crustaceans with elongated limbs, sensing their surroundings through vibrations in the water, their shells adorned with intricate patterns. While the existence of such creatures remains purely speculative, the possibility, however remote, fuels the scientific drive to explore these uncharted territories. Each new discovery, each piece of data collected brings us closer to understanding the true extent of life's reach and the potential for surprises that challenge our understanding of the universe. Section 1. Echoes of an ancient encounter. The icy plains of Antarctica, with their stark beauty and unforgiving nature, have long been a breeding ground for tales of mystery and the unexplained. While many of these stories can be attributed to the power of human imagination and the disorienting effects of extreme environments, some accounts hint at something more profound, something that challenges our understanding of the past and the possibilities of the present. Scattered throughout the history of Antarctic exploration are intriguing, albeit anecdotal, reports of encounters with unexplained phenomena. Early explorers, navigating uncharted waters and facing the unknown with each passing day, documented strange lights in the sky, unusual patterns in the ice, and even fleeting glimpses of objects that defied easy explanation. While most of these accounts were dismissed as tricks of the light, hallucinations brought on by exhaustion, or misinterpretations of natural phenomena, some researchers believe they could point to something more extraordinary, evidence of an ancient encounter between humans and an unknown intelligence. Could these stories, passed down through generations of explorers and shrouded in myth and legend, hold a kernel of truth? Could they be echoes of a time when humans first encountered something beyond their comprehension, something that left an indelible mark on their collective memory? Section 2. The Enigma of the Eltanin Antenna. One of the most intriguing and hotly debated mysteries of Antarctica emerged in 1964 with the discovery of a peculiar object photographed on the ocean floor near the Eltanin fracture zone. The image, captured by the USNS Eltanin research vessel, revealed a strange antenna-like structure rising from the seabed, its shape too regular to be easily explained by natural geological processes. The so-called Eltanin antenna, as it came to be known, quickly captured the public imagination, fueling speculation about its origins and purpose. Some suggested it was evidence of an ancient civilization that once thrived in Antarctica, its technology now lost to time. Others proposed it was a listening post planted by an extraterrestrial intelligence monitoring our planet from the depths of the ocean. Scientists, however, have offered more grounded explanations, attributing the object's shape to a variety of natural phenomena. Some believe it could be a type of deep-sea sponge, its intricate structure shaped by the currents and pressures of the ocean depths. Others suggest it might be a fossilized remnant of an extinct marine creature, its skeleton preserved in the sediment for millennia. Despite these plausible explanations, the Eltanin antenna remains a subject of fascination and debate, a reminder that even in our age of technological advancement, the ocean depths still hold secrets that challenge our understanding of the world. The idea that an advanced intelligence might exist beneath Antarctica's ice raises profound questions about their relationship with humanity and their role, if any, in our planet's history. Some speculate that these beings, if they exist, might be guardians of knowledge, protectors of ancient wisdom, hidden from the prying eyes of a world not yet ready to receive it. Could these beings, with their advanced understanding of the universe and the interconnectedness of all things, be observing us, guiding our development from a distance? Might they be waiting for the right moment to reveal themselves, to share their knowledge and help us navigate the challenges facing our planet and our species? The concept of a benevolent intelligence existing alongside humanity, offering guidance and protection, is a recurring theme in mythology and spiritual traditions around the world. Could these stories, often dismissed as mere fantasy, hold a kernel of truth? Could they be echoes of an ancient connection, a forgotten bond between humanity and a higher intelligence? The possibility, however remote, is both humbling and inspiring. It reminds us that we are not alone in the universe, that there may be forces at work beyond our current comprehension, forces that have shaped our past and may hold the key to a brighter future. Section 4, the future of exploration, bridging the gap between speculation and science. The quest to understand Antarctica is far from over. Advances in technology are revolutionizing our understanding of life. Autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, explore subglacial lakes and oceans. Equipped with cameras and sensors, they venture into inaccessible environments, beaming back data. DNA sequencing and analysis identify life forms from environmental DNA, eDNA. This reveals biodiversity and evolutionary history. The future of exploration bridges speculation and science. Using scientific tools to investigate unconventional theories, we push the boundaries of knowledge, uncovering secrets beneath the ice. Section 1. The Unseen World. We have journeyed together, you and I, from the familiar to the extraordinary, from the wind-swept plains of the Antarctic surface to the hidden depths of its subglacial lakes. We have explored the history of human endeavor in this frozen wilderness, the tales of daring exploration and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that has driven us to uncover the secrets of this enigmatic continent. We've delved into the realm of scientific discovery, examining the evidence for life in these extreme environments, from the microscopic organisms thriving in ice cores to the tantalizing hints of unique DNA sequences found in the waters of Lake Vostok. We've confronted the limitations of our current understanding, acknowledging that what we know is but a drop in the vast ocean of what remains to be discovered. And we have allowed ourselves to imagine, to entertain the possibility that something truly extraordinary might await us beneath the ice. The idea of advanced life forms, evolving in isolation for millennia, their existence hidden from our view, is a concept that stretches the limits of our comprehension, yet it is a possibility that we cannot and should not ignore. Section 2, a future unveiled. The future of Antarctic exploration holds the promise of unlocking some of the greatest mysteries of our planet and beyond. As technology continues to advance, we will develop new and innovative ways to explore these extreme environments, piercing the veil of ice and revealing the secrets that lie beneath. Imagine autonomous robots, sleek and agile, diving deep into the subglacial lakes, their sensors mapping the contours of these hidden worlds, their cameras capturing images of life forms never before seen by human eyes. Imagine scientists huddled around monitors in research stations, their faces illuminated by the glow of data streams as they analyze the genetic blueprints of these organisms, piecing together the evolutionary puzzle of life in these extreme environments. And imagine the day, perhaps not so far off, when we make contact not with microbes or crustaceans, but with intelligent beings, their civilization thriving in the depths of the Antarctic ice. What a moment that would be to realize that we are not alone in the universe, to encounter another form of intelligence, to engage in a dialogue that could redefine our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Section 3. Our place in the universe. The search for life beyond Earth, whether in the depths of our oceans or the vast expanse of space, is ultimately a search for ourselves. It is a quest to understand the origins of life, the conditions that give rise to complexity and consciousness, and the possibility that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. The discoveries we make in Antarctica will have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. They will challenge our assumptions, expand our horizons, and inspire us to dream bigger, to reach further, to never stop exploring the unknown. For in the end, it is the spirit of exploration, the thirst for knowledge, the willingness to embrace the unknown that defines us as a species. It is this spirit that has driven us to explore the farthest reaches of our planet and beyond, and it is this spirit that will continue to guide us as we venture into the uncharted territories of the future. The mysteries of Antarctica await. Let us continue to explore them together with open minds, curious hearts, and a deep respect for the wonders that nature has yet to reveal.